Welcome to Speak Better English.
Do you trust him?
Yes, I trust him.
Do you trust him?
Yes, I trust him.
Is the food ready?
Yes, it's ready now.
Is the food ready?
Yes, it's ready now.
Do you want water?
Yes, I want water.
Do you want water?
Yes, I want water.
Do you like cats?
Yes, cats are cute.
Do you like cats?
Yes, cats are cute.
Are you sitting here?
Yes, I'm sitting here.
Are you sitting here?
Yes, I'm sitting here.
Is the shop open?
Yes, the shop's open.
Is the shop open?
Yes, the shop's open.
Do you need help?
Yes, I need help.
Do you need help?
Yes, I need help.
Are you feeling tired?
Yes, I feel tired.
Are you feeling tired?
Yes, I feel tired.
Do you like noodles?
Yes, I love noodles.
Do you like noodles?
Yes, I love noodles.
Is your dog barking?
Yes, it's barking loudly.
Is your dog barking?
Yes, it's barking loudly.
Do you like sugar?
Yes, I like sugar.
Do you like sugar?
Yes, I like sugar.
Is the sun bright?
Yes, very bright today.
Is the sun bright?
Yes, very bright today.
Do you want rice?
Yes, I want rice.
Do you want rice?
Yes, I want rice.
Are you buying this?
Yes, I'm buying this.
Are you buying this?
Yes, I'm buying this.
Do you enjoy snacks?
Yes, snacks are tasty.
Do you enjoy snacks?
Yes, snacks are tasty.
Is your room cold?
Yes, very cold room.
Is your room cold?
Yes, very cold room.
Are you driving today?
Yes, I'm driving today.
Are you driving today?
Yes, I'm driving today.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I love movies.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I love movies.
Is the baby sleeping?
Yes, the baby's sleeping.
Is the baby sleeping?
Yes, the baby's sleeping.
Do you enjoy learning?
Yes, learning feels good.
Do you enjoy learning?
Yes, learning feels good.
Are you eating rice?
Yes, I'm eating rice.
Are you eating rice?
Yes, I'm eating rice.
Do you like carrots?
Yes, carrots taste nice.
Do you like carrots?
Yes, carrots taste nice.
Is your hand cold?
Yes, very cold hand.
Is your hand cold?
Yes, very cold hand.
Do you enjoy singing?
Yes, singing is fun.
Do you enjoy singing?
Yes, singing is fun.
Are you going home?
Yes, I'm going home.
Are you going home?
Yes, I'm going home.
Is the cake ready?
Yes, cake is ready.
Is the cake ready?
Yes, cake is ready.
Do you feel warm?
Yes, I feel warm.
Do you feel warm?
Yes, I feel warm.
Are you eating now?
Yes, I'm eating lunch.
Are you eating now?
Yes, I'm eating lunch.
Do you like watermelon?
Yes, I love watermelon.
Do you like watermelon?
Yes, I love watermelon.
Is the sky clear?
Yes, it's very clear.
Is the sky clear?
Yes, it's very clear.
Do you play piano?
Yes, I play piano.
Do you play piano?
Yes, I play piano.
Are you coming late?
No, I'm on time.
Are you coming late?
No, I'm on time.
Do you like juice?
Yes, I like juice.
Do you like juice?
Yes, I like juice.
Is the milk cold?
Yes, very cold milk.
Is the milk cold?
Yes, very cold milk.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch daily.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch daily.
Are you working late?
Yes, I'm working late.
Are you working late?
Yes, I'm working late.
Do you like comedy?
Yes, comedy is great.
Do you like comedy?
Yes, comedy is great.
Is your bag new?
Yes, it's brand new.
Is your bag new?
Yes, it's brand new.
Do you feel sick?
Yes, a little sick.
Do you feel sick?
Yes, a little sick.
Are you lying down?
Yes, I'm lying down.
Are you lying down?
Yes, I'm lying down.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, dancing is enjoyable.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, dancing is enjoyable.
Is this water clean?
Yes, the water's clean.
Is this water clean?
Yes, the water's clean.
Do you like reading?
Yes, reading is relaxing.
Do you like reading?
Yes, reading is relaxing.
Are you meeting him?
Yes, I'm meeting him.
Are you meeting him?
Yes, I'm meeting him.
Do you like soup?
Yes, I like soup.
Do you like soup?
Yes, I like soup.
Is your shirt wet?
Yes, it's a little wet.
Is your shirt wet?
Yes, it's a little wet.
Do you like phones?
Yes, new phones especially.
Do you like phones?
Yes, new phones especially.
Are you near home?
Yes, very near home.
Are you near home?
Yes, very near home.
Do you want this?
Yes, I want this.
Do you want this?
Yes, I want this.
Is your tea hot?
Yes, extremely hot tea.
Is your tea hot?
Yes, extremely hot tea.
Do you like turtles?
Yes, turtles are cute.
Do you like turtles?
Yes, turtles are cute.
Are you drinking tea?
Yes, I'm drinking tea.
Are you drinking tea?
Yes, I'm drinking tea.
Do you like shoes?
Yes, stylish shoes especially.
Do you like shoes?
Yes, stylish shoes especially.
Is your car fast?
Yes, very fast car.
Is your car fast?
Yes, very fast car.
Do you like trains?
Yes, I enjoy trains.
Do you like trains?
Yes, I enjoy trains.
Are you sleeping now?
No, I'm not sleeping.
Are you sleeping now?
No, I'm not sleeping.
Do you like snacks?
Yes, I enjoy snacks.
Do you like snacks?
Yes, I enjoy snacks.
Is the floor clean?
Yes, completely clean now.
Is the floor clean?
Yes, completely clean now.
Do you want money?
No, I don't need.
Do you want money?
No, I don't need.
Are you eating fruit?
Yes, I'm eating fruit.
Are you eating fruit?
Yes, I'm eating fruit.
Do you like lemons?
Yes, I like lemons.
Do you like lemons?
Yes, I like lemons.
Is she at home?
Yes, she's at home.
Is she at home?
Yes, she's at home.
Do you want coffee?
Yes, I want coffee.
Do you want coffee?
Yes, I want coffee.
Are you calling him?
Yes, I'm calling him.
Are you calling him?
Yes, I'm calling him.
Do you enjoy dogs?
Yes, dogs are loyal.
Do you enjoy dogs?
Yes, dogs are loyal.
Is the door open?
Yes, the door's open.
Is the door open?
Yes, the door's open.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I like summer.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I like summer.
Are you reading this?
Yes, I'm reading this.
Are you reading this?
Yes, I'm reading this.
Do you enjoy water?
Yes, I enjoy drinking.
Do you enjoy water?
Yes, I enjoy drinking.
Is he working today?
Yes, he's working today.
Is he working today?
Yes, he's working today.
Do you want help?
Yes, I want help.
Do you want help?
Yes, I want help.
Are you busy now?
Yes, I'm busy now.
Are you busy now?
Yes, I'm busy now.
Do you like jogging?
Yes, jogging is healthy.
Do you like jogging?
Yes, jogging is healthy.
Is the bell ringing?
Yes, it's ringing now.
Is the bell ringing?
Yes, it's ringing now.
Do you enjoy fruits?
Yes, fruits are healthy.
Do you enjoy fruits?
Yes, fruits are healthy.